You already know, man. It's Poku Banks, baby. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Alright, so in today's video, we're gonna be checking out Experian Boost. This is a service where you can connect your Experian account to your bank account, which can instantly increase your credit score. So we're gonna check it out. Now, the story about how this came about is simply about, one day I was checking out, my credit score on my phone. And when checking my credit score, it actually dropped by around 46 points. And now the reason I think this is because I opened a new line of credit. Now, if you open a new line of credit, that means your average age of all your accounts, it reduces lower in return. So I've got some new credit on my file. That's why I think it decreases. But if there's some service out there that can instantly increase my credit score, then why not? We're gonna check it out on this channel. So if you're new here, let's leave a like. Let's get around 200 likes. Now, let's go onto the laptop and let's check out the website. So as you guys can see here, this is the website. Instantly improve your score with Experian Boost. Your freeze, credit score, blah, blah, blah. So what is it? This can help to increase your credit score by simply sharing about how you manage your money. It lets you share your information about your regular spending, such as payments to savings accounts, council tax, payments, digital payments like the likes of Spotify and Netflix. If you're making payments like this regularly and you're not spending more than you earn, you can get an instant boost to your credit score. What makes Boost different? Previously, payments like your monthly council tax bill didn't influence your credit score. Now Boost makes them count, which is true. But we're gonna see whether this actually makes your overall credit score count. Bear in mind, guys, there's 3 credit rating agencies. So that's, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So right now, we're only affecting our Experian credit score. These 2 aren't affected. It rewards you for your day-to-day payments, fair enough. It makes everyday effort of budgeting actually count. It makes things fairer, okay, fair enough. And connecting to Boost won't make your score go down. So there's no negatives whatsoever. Either you come out with nothing or you come out with a benefit. What types of payments are Boost worthy? Payments into your investments such as ISA, monthly savings accounts, digital subscriptions, 000. It's safe. Your information is protected and won't store your bank details. Note, it's protected, so that means they do take your information, and we'll get onto that later on in this video. So your top questions about Boost. Is Experian Boost free? Yes, it is. Can everyone use Boost? It's designed to help as many people. Okay. Can Experian Boost help my credit score? No. Do lenders see your boosted credit score? We'll share a summary of your boosted data with those participating. So again, not everyone will see this. So already seeing signs that this won't really affect my total credit score, but it'll just affect my Experian credit score with certain participant lenders. So that's one thing to keep into mind when you're doing this. So if you think this will, boost your total credit score, it's clearly not. But let's do it anyway. Let's see what it's saying. I'm gonna do it for you guys so you guys can then make the judgment. I'm gonna be one that does it for you guys. So as you guys can see, my credit score is 796. It's actually decreased by 46 points over the past month, which is a shame, but that's what you get for opening a new line of credit. Let's get started. I have a feeling it's doing this magic right now, as it's not really loading, but it's showing a shiny image of the Experian logo. So it's doing its magic from a bank account. So this is like the moment of truth. Let's see what it's saying. Let's see if it actually boosts your credit score like it says it does. We're gonna see. There you go. Reviewing your data. It's going through it. Let's check it, guys. Let's check it. Review complete. Let's get it. +3. Was that even worth it? +3. That is so disappointing. I was thinking +30. +40 points, only +3. I mean, it is a plus, but 799, I wish it was 800. I wish it was 800, man. Anyways. By the way, guys, if you want to win a free share worth between £3 and £200, make sure you click the link in my description or swipe up and then you deposit £1. Let me know what share you get. It's Poku Banks, baby. Now, guys, as you can see, it only boosts my score by 3 points. Whether it's worth it or not, I'm not sure. I guess it's done on a case-by-case basis. But I do have some outgoings every month. So I've got my Spotify, I've got my investment, so into my lifetime ISA. I also got some rent coming out as well. So, it tries to do what it can do, but only 3 points. It's up to you if you want to try it. But here are my suspicions about Experian Boost, because something I noticed while going through the website, and I want to let these be known to you guys. Like I said before, number 1, my boosted score is only available to participating lenders, okay? Not everyone can see this. So again, this is more of a marketing technique just to gather more data, essentially. Number 2, this is a free service model. Now guys, let me just tell you something. Anything that's given for free, let me just tell you this now. There's likely an intention behind it, and they are more than likely making money off the back end behind what they're giving you for free. Here's an example. Google is a free platform that anyone can use. It organizes the web into Google searches so you can go in there and use it for free. Your search history, which you gave to Google, is now being used against you for advertisers, to sell to advertisers, so then they can target the correct ads to you when you search on Google. So Google doesn't make its money off its everyday users. Google makes its money to the businesses that pay for advertising. That is a free service model, and which can be compared to something like Experian, where they're using the everyday users like myself for their free data. So they're going through my bank accounts. They can then sell, I'm not saying they are, but they can possibly sell this information onto advertisers or whatnot. Or for example, let's say every month I go to a certain chicken shop. Okay, you've seen this regularly every month in my bank statement. With this data, they can do a lot with this data. Okay, they can start showing me more adverts for this chicken shop, for example, on Instagram or whatnot. Trust me, looking at someone's bank account can really paint a big picture of how they are as a person, their finances and whatnot. And also, guys, just looking at the FAQ, they'll also store your Boost data for up to 3 years from when they first receive it. So now, after going through all of this, this also begs the question: do credit scores really matter? Let's find out. Number one, there's no uniform credit rating that all the credit rating agencies use. They all use different ones. Credit Union uses their own one, TransUnion uses their own one, Experian uses their own one, and Equifax uses their own one. Each lender, so this could be a car loan company or a bank or whatnot, they score you differently and secretly between each lender. So that means there's no uniform way of assessing people. Only people at their workplace will know how they assess you, because every lender is looking for different requirements. So what we can gather from that is that one lender can accept you, but the other may not. Number two is as much as about whether you'll make the lender money as it is to risk. An example is payday loan companies. At the end of the day, they're looking to make a profit regardless. And guess what? They thrive off people with the bad credit scores, people that can't pay back on time, but they have no means of getting it elsewhere. And the worst thing is, these are their prime customers, the top tier customers that make them a lot of money, the profitable ones essentially. So even if a bad credit score, they'll still accept you. There are even cases where you have too perfect of a credit score where you're not as profitable to them. Like you pay your balances in full every time, you don't pay no interest whatsoever, and you pay it in full. You aren't as profitable to them. You'll pay it back straight away. So you may even get rejected for being too perfect. Number three, I only found this out recently, but lenders and searchers that are searching through your credit file cannot actually see your credit score. Your credit score is personal to you. It only reflects what is on your credit file, and it can only be seen by you. And then this leads on to number four. Credit rating agencies are smart as hell. You'll know what they've done? They've turned your boring credit file, which shows your financial data towards these lenders, into a score that can be compared with others, which now brings them an opportunity to start bringing out consumer-based loans, which then can be used to then go and sell you more consumer-based products, so more loans, more credit cards and whatnot. Do they matter then? They do matter, but not to a great degree as much as you think they do. Yes, they reflect your credit file, which is on there, but this is not seen by any lenders or anyone else searching for your name in the credit file. Obviously, if you have a terrible credit score of around 400, 500 on Experian, then don't get me wrong, this is bad. It doesn't mean, just because I said it doesn't matter, that you're fine with a bad credit score. Have it at least in the fair column, good column, or excellent column. Aim for the best. Just always have the mindset of trying to improve your credit score as time goes on. What really matters at the end of the day is that your credit report is in good shape, your credit file. So check it monthly, and if there's any mistakes on there, then get it sorted. So guys, do let me know if you're gonna try Experian Boosted. Let me know if you think it was a waste of time, but guys, I'm gonna do this for you guys so you guys see what it's really like. So I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you let me know any video ideas or any other requests. Let me know. It's Poku Banks, baby.